After Mumbai ATS claimed to have solved the 13-7 Mumbai blast case, questions are being raised over the version that has been given by the Mumbai Anti-Terror Squad. Delhi police sources have told your channel that there is no credible evidence available to link Nadeem and Naki to the Pak bombers. Sources quote that Nadeem and Naki's phone records are raising questions. Sources also say that the last time they were in touch with the absconding Pakistani bomber was in June 2010. Bhavtosh on the phone line with us. Bhavtosh, give us point by point of what the Delhi police is saying vis-a-vis the version that has been given by the Mumbai Anti-Terror Squad. Bhavtosh, if you can hear me, there are certain concerns that have been raised by the Delhi police. If you could give us point by point of how they have rebutted the account or the version that has been given by the Mumbai Anti-Terror Squad. We'll go to Bhavtosh in just a bit, but at this point, there seems to be a controversy brewing over the 13-7 blast case. Last evening, we had the Mumbai Terror Squad that came out in a press conference and gave details of how they had cracked the 13-7 blast case. But clearly, not only is the Home Ministry slightly baffled over the account given by the Mumbai Anti-Terror Squad, but even the Delhi police is now coming up with questions. Bhavtosh on the phone line with us. Bhavtosh, what exactly is it that the Delhi police is questioning as far as the Mumbai Anti-Terror Squad version goes?
The Delhi police has made it very clear that Naki has been with them for a very long time, starting from, say, last December, and that on two occasions they had visited Mumbai, and this was not something of a covert operation that was going on. It was, in fact, an operation that was being carried out at the behest of Intelligence Bureau. They have further said that during its own probe in several modules of Indian Mujahideen, they have not found any evidence against Naki Ahmed and Nadeem Sheikh. In fact, they have also said that Naki Ahmed only provided accommodation to the two Pakistani bombers, unaware of the fact that they were working for Indian Mujahideen, was not even aware that they were Pakistanis. The police has said that if there were evidence against him, they would have been the first agency to arrest Naki Ahmed and Nadeem Sheikh, rather than give those two suspects to Maharashtra ATS. What the police and the agencies are saying is that the Maharashtra ATS have shown undue haste, and in a way they have compromised with the entire investigation in the Mumbai serial blast case.
Bhavtosh there from the capital giving us more details.